Mindset to a Zen makeup routine. The art of consciously creating the new version of yourself using makeup. Before we do something, we must understand our thoughts. Because when we understand our mind, we will understand how we do the work. It frames our point of view, and when we think about something that we want, we're focused on that something and we can create it. So, rather than letting our mind wander, why not be mindful? It will guide your focus and makes you decide the essentials that you're gonna gather, like minimal brushes, like 10 brushes is okay, essential products that you need, and of course you will be focused on the result and what to give an emphasis on your face. Next mindset is the client and makeup artist mindset. If you're a makeup artist, treat yourself the way you treat your clients when you're doing your makeup. And if you're a client, treat yourself the way your best makeup artists do. Why? Ask yourself, if you're a makeup artist, how do you treat your client? And if you're a client, how did your makeup artist treat you? You'll see. Cleanliness is next to mindfulness. Yes, if you are mindful how you treat your clients, you will use clean brushes for yourself. And if you're a client, you're gonna do exactly the clean makeup brushes rule. So, speaking of cleanliness, what it looks like, let's talk about the hygiene and skincare before makeup. Use a not so expensive brush cleaning liquid for your makeup brushes. This is how we do it. Okay, and of course, disinfect. Hand washing is very important, but if not possible, always have your 70% alcohol near you. Don't forget also to disinfect all your makeup palettes, your eyeshadows, your lipstick, and your makeup tools where you're gonna put your makeup. Cleanser and toner. A lot of us know about cleanser, but we neglect to use toner. But nowadays, we have cleanser and toner in one. Whatever you use, I just want to emphasize that you have to clean your face thoroughly. Then, the moisturizer. Please use the appropriate moisturizer for your skin to have a well-prepped skin. Okay, last but not the least is your lips. Moisturize your lips to prevent a dry crack look. I have walked you through how to prep your skin and your tools before doing the makeup. Now, I'm about to walk you through the actual makeup application itself. Before that, I would like you to stop and feel and open your senses because no one's there to check what's going on with your makeup application. So you will be the one who will be critical on yourself. With this guided makeup video tutorial, I am confident that you can do it. So gather all your tools that you need, starting from the brow kit and your shadows, all your brushes and foundations before you begin. Just remember that if something doesn't feel right, it probably isn't right. The last mindset that I would like you to take note is this mindset whenever we're about to do something, especially if it's new to us, because we have that same kind of fear. Don't worry, you will definitely make mistakes. And the good news is, once you noticed it, you will do the right thing next time, or you'll make ways to fix it. So just let go and let's do it.